Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots. Now coming to the example 9, find the least number which must be subtracted from 7581 to obtain a perfect square, and find the square root, the perfect square and then its square root. Okay, so which is the least number to be subtracted? Remember the question, read it properly. So first, for subtraction and addition we have to use the long division method. We have learnt already, for the least number to be multiplied and divided we have used the prime factorization method. Now it is the subtraction and addition. For that, the long division method. So we'll start. It is the number 7581. Group it from right side, isn't it? Group into pairs. And now put the line 75. It is 8 8s are 64. Hope you remember the long division method. We have done already. 8 8s are 64. When you subtract 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 7 minus 6 is 1. So you got 11. Now bring 81 down. Now next step is add 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Here it is 2 digit, here 4 digit. So you will be asking 1 how much are 11? 1 11s are, so we can put at the maximum 9, isn't it? So try 169 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 in hand. 9 6s are 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 6 in hand, 9 ones are 9, 10 and 15. So can you put? No. So next try with the 168 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 6s are 48, 49, 50, 54. 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 13. Again it is a bigger number? No. So try with the 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 6s are 42 plus 4, 46. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can you put? Yes. Okay. So put 7. When you multiply 167 into 7, you got 1169. Now subtract. 1 minus 9 means how much? 12 minus 9 is 11 minus 9 is 2. Now how much is remaining? It is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So which is the remainder? 12. Now this is the number to be subtracted. So now you subtract 7581 minus 12. 11 minus 2, 9. Now 7 minus 1, 6. Now 5 as it is, 7 as it is. So this is the perfect square. We have told, no? It is the question. Find the perfect square. This is the perfect square. Again write it here. And now find the square root. Okay, like here only it will be 8 8s are 64. Minus करेंगे तो 5 minus 4 1, 7 minus 6 1. Bring 69 down. Now add 8. You got 1 6. Now if you put 7, Yes. 7 sevens are 49 and 167 into 7 is 1169. Perfect square. You got remainder 0. Now you write the answer. Answer, what is it? 12 is the least number. Is the least number which must be subtracted from, see the question, accordingly you write 7581 to obtain a perfect square. So which is the perfect square? The perfect square is which one? 7569. Now square root of 7569 is equal to, how much you got? 87. So 12, 7569 and 87. These are the answers. Hope you understood. Now coming to the example 10. Now which least number, what is the least number should be added to 5607 to make the sum a perfect square? Find the perfect square and its square root. Same long division. We have to do 56. In 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64. So you can put 7 sevens are 49. Now 6 minus 9 means 16 minus 9 is 7. Bring 0, 7 down. Add 7. You got 14. Now 1 how much is 7? Because it is a how much? 2 digits and here 3 digits. So we will do 147 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 7 ones are 7, 10. Bigger number, not possible. 146. Multiply by 6. 6 6s are 36. 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8. Bigger number. Now 1 4 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 22. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. Again bigger number. Now 1 4 4 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 4 1s are 4 5. So actually we have to put 4 because this is smaller, this is bigger. But here what is the number to be added? We have to put the 1 digit bigger. Means we are not putting 4. 4 नहीं डालने का है, हमें 5 डालने का है क्योंकि which is the number to be added, मतलब a नंबर को हमें कुछ ऐड करने का है, इसके लिए हम एक डिजिट बड़ा लेंगे. तो क्या डालेंगे? 5. So 145 into 5 is how much? 725. Now next step is we have to subtract in the reverse order. क्योंकि ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा है, तो इसके लिए हम रिवर्स में उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. तो 5 minus 7 means 15 minus 7 is 8. Now here 1 is remaining. Now 18 should be added. Okay, which is the number 5607. Add 18. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 1, 2, 6, 5. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? सब्ट्रैक्शन में डायरेक्ट जो रिमाइंडर है उसको आप लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, लेकिन इधर एक डिजिट बड़ा डालने का और रिवर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, फिर वो रिमाइंडर जो भी आया उसको ऐड करो. नाउ दिस इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. चेक whether it is a perfect square and find out the square root. It is a 7, 7s are 49, 6 minus 9, 16 minus 9 is 7, 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring 25 down, add 7, you got 14. Now if you put 5, it will be the same number. 145 into 5 is 720. Is it okay? So answer according to the question we'll write. So which is the number to be added? 18 is the least number. To be, which must be added. To 5607 to make the sum a same sentences, a perfect square, that is, which is the perfect square? 5625. This is the perfect square. Now write square root of 5625 is equal to 75. Is it okay? Hope everyone understood these two examples. The example 9 and example 10, that is, which is the number to be subtracted, which is the number to be added. For both we have to use the long division method. For subtracted, whatever remainder you get, just you subtract, and then the perfect square, what you get, you find out the square root. ठीक है, जो रिमाइंडर मिला उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, और जो नंबर मिला दैट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, उसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करो. विच इज द नंबर टू बी एडेड, इसके लिए जो भी ऑर्डिनरी मेथड, यूजुअल मेथड करते जाने का है, लेकिन छोटा नंबर नहीं डालने का है, एक डिजिट बड़ा डालने का है, सिर्फ एक डिजिट. इसके लिए ये सब करते जाने का है. सो एक डिजिट बड़ा डालकर उसको रिवर्स में सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, और जो आंसर मिला दैट इज टू बी एडेड, देन यू गेट द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, देन सी द स्क्वायर रूट. सो क्या करने का है, एक डिजिट बड़ा डालकर जो नंबर आया उससे पहले का नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, दैट इज द नंबर टू बी एडेड. ओके, so remember, for a multiplied and divided prime factorization method, for subtracted added it is the long division method. Hope you understood both the examples till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you.